Let me test your Chinese. Okay, I've been learning for a while. 黑车是什么意思？ Come on, that's too easy. 黑 means black, 车 means car, so it means black car. 不对，那是什么意思？我给你一个例子，在机场打车的时候，小心黑车，不然很容易被骗哦。Oh, so it's like unlicensed cab? 对，下一个，菜鸟。This one is weird. 菜 means vegetable, 鸟 means bird. Is it the name of a type of bird? 你觉得呢？肯定不是啊，我不知道是什么意思。在我看来，你现在还是一个中文菜鸟。Oh, so you mean I'm a Chinese beginner? 水平很低 not good at it. Bingo! Where can I learn all of these? And I also want to improve my spoken Chinese. I recommend joining this Chinese drama bootcamp. It's all about real and everyday Chinese expressions. You won't just listen and watch, you'll actually do speaking practice. Great! Send me the link.